Well, pollution solutioners, welcome to 2021. I wanted to start out the new year with something that will give you the most environmental bang for your buck, so to speak. So we're going to start off this year with a product, the trash bag. Everyone uses them for lots of things, and they're plastic. Now, I know I talk a lot about plastic, its negative effects on a lot of things, and the fact that once made, plastic is around forever. But the most important thing to remember is that the pollution from plastic begins with the extraction of the raw materials or oil needed to make it and continues through every phase of its never-ending life. And since plastic doesn't go away, every piece of plastic that has ever been made is still causing pollution today in more ways than one, by being ugly trash clogging all of our beautiful places, and by producing methane gas, one of the worst and most harmful greenhouse gases that contributes enormously to climate change. With that in mind, let's talk a quick minute about how many tall kitchen trash bags we use per year, so we have an idea of how big the use of this one plastic item is. So let's say the average family uses 2 trash bags per week. That's 104 trash bags a year. Doesn't seem disastrous. A slightly larger family may use, say, 5 trash bags a week. That's 260 trash bags per year. Again, neither of those two numbers seem like a national disaster. So then, why is it? Well, multiplied by the roughly 80 million families in the US, that brings our numbers up to some things more terrifying. Anywhere between 8 and 22 billion plastic trash bags used every year, just in the US. Viewed through the lens of how many plastic things we make and the global scope is terrifying. Think about that for just a hot minute. Now that we're all properly shocked, disgusted, or whatever, what can we do about it? We can use a compostable trash bag, one made out of cornstarch or plants, like these. Unfortunately, I haven't seen any of these in local stores here in Hawaii. I haven't scoured Whole Foods or Down to Earth very well though, so there is room for error. So I get mine from Amazon. So hopefully that'll change soon. A couple of things about these bags. This company actually gives you a lot of information up front. It uses GMO-free crops to make it, breaks down into water, rich humus and CO2. It's composting certifications in the US, which is commercial compost, and Europe, commercial and home composting. And its mission to give back to the earth. All things I look for in an earth responsible product or company, which is great. And second, I need you to not expect it to work like a plastic bag. It isn't one. But this is a good thing. We need to make sure that we get the thickest ones you can find. 1 milliliter is the best I've found so far. They won't have ties or strings, which is extra plastic. So I have clips saved from other things that keep it from falling down into the can. And you'll have to train yourself not to fill the can up to the tippy top. So there's something for you to tie together when it's time for the trash to go out. Now, these are truly compostable bags, so don't leave it in the can for too long or smash the trash down so you can get more in the bag. It's not necessary. And finally, they come in different sizes for all the trash in your home. I use the 3-gallon size for my bathroom trash, for cleaning out the cat box, and my kitchen compost bin. I can even put the kitchen compost, bag and all, in the home composting barrel on our property. Now, don't worry if you end up using an extra bag or 2 here and there. If they make it to the landfill, these kinds of trash bags are much better. They will break down. Here in Hawaii, the majority of our trash is burned at the H power plant to make electricity for our homes. Burning the plastic bags releases tons of harmful chemicals and greenhouse gases into our atmosphere, while burning the plant bags will release far fewer toxic gases and things into our air. All right, everybody, that's what I have for you today. Have fun, go out and get some new trash bags the next time it's time for you to do so. Thank you so much for joining us today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave this channel. And as always, whatever you learn here, share it forward, everyone. I'll see you next time.